Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to remove black boxes on desktop icons in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for these commands used in my video. Just to copy and paste it one by one. Just press in keyboard Alt Tab to go to Notepad and copy the third command. And now copy and paste the last command. After finishing all these commands, you just need to close stuff here, and now you just need to press in keyboard Ctrl Shift plus Escape key together to open up a task manager. Select Run New Task and type here explorer.exe. Click on this check mark, create this task with administrative privileges and click on OK. And now you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to open the file explorer. Right click on this PC on the left side and select properties. Select advanced system setting. Under performance, select settings. You just need to uncheck this box guys. Use drop shadows for icon labels on the desktop. Just uncheck it and then select apply and OK for save changes. And now select OK and just close stuff here. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3, you just need to update your graphics driver. To do this, go to search menu and type device manager. Click on open it. Expand the display adapter section and right click on your graphics card driver and select update driver. Select search automatically for drivers. And after getting done, just close stuff here. If you have no updates are available, try downloading the latest driver from your GPU manufacturer's website. For example, NVIDIA, AMD or Intel. Method 4, you just need to change icon size. Sometimes simply changing the icon size can reset the display issues. To do this, right click on the desktop and select view. Select small icons and now again right click on the desktop and select view and select medium icon. And now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the method 5 guys. Method 5 is to restore default icons. If the black boxes are related to specific icons, then you just need to right click on them and select properties. You just need to select the change icon option. In here you just need to select the default icon and then select OK. Select apply and OK for save changes. Now check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the method 6 guys. Method 6 is to scan for corrupt files. To do this, go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Just copy and paste it one by one and press enter. You just need to wait for these commands to done guys. After getting this both commands done, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.